So huh? Put it right here. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry and starving. This is what we have been eating whole day. Peanuts and beef jerkies. What else? Grapes.
And water.
And water. I need the real food. Here, Han, would you like to say something? We cannot see you though. It's so dark because there's no electricity. All we have are the candles right here. Been wasting whole day doing nothing except sleeping and something else. Okay.
So there's no food to eat and no electricity. Ooh, we're starving. Ooh.
Since when? Oh, I'm
Since
so
this
hungry.
morning. Oh.
Since this morning.
Yeah. Because of the earthquake. Oh, we're starving. Oh.
Okay, my turn.
Huh.
SOS! I'm so hungry. I need the real food. Wait, all we have are grapes and peanuts and beef jerky, but we almost run out and there's no electricity since 7 o'clock this morning.
Oh, telephone.
Someone call us, I don't know, but we need help. Help! I'm so hungry. Help.
I don't know.